Today you will learn my new favorite place to fly my quads, drones, airplanes. If you can hear it in the background, there is something in the air. Let's check it out right after this. Hey guys, Felix here with Quadcopterguide, and on this channel I help you get the most out of your drones and other camera gear. Today I wanted to show off my new favorite place to fly. If I'm testing out a new drone, if I'm messing with settings, or just trying something new, I've wanted to find a place where I could fly the device, whether it is a drone, a quad, or a plane, and I wanted to not have any stress. As you guys know, I'm located in Bavaria, Germany, and you know, there are regulations in place just like everywhere else, and I just wanted to have a place where I can drive out, it's close to where I live, and not have any worries about if I'm allowed to fly there or not. So, let me introduce you to my new local flying field. So let's say you've got some drone batteries or plane batteries, whatever you have, and they're not fully charged, or maybe you want to recharge them while you're out. You don't have that many batteries and you just want to drive all the way home. Well, check this out. There's 2 solar panels here, and these suckers charge 3 semi-truck batteries, which are stored in this housing down here. And when the sun is shining, those batteries get charged up. And at the front here, there's different ports where either with banana plugs or clamps, you can hook up your charger and voila, you can charge out here. So if you want to get your battery back up to storage voltage after you're done flying, you can do that here as well. It's really cool. Of course, when the weather is nice like today, there's a lot of people out here and a lot of planes in the air. But what's cool about this club is, so far what I found at least, that if you're flying drones, FPV drones, then it's not like the kind of traditional RC club where if you're flying anything but a plane, you're kind of frowned upon. At least that's been my experience so far. If it changes, I guess I'll have to let you guys know. And I hope you enjoyed that quick look at my new favorite place to fly. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything like this around you. Is there a club? Would you consider going there if you just fly a drone? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get into a great conversation. And in the meantime, check out some of these other videos. I've got 2 here for you. Feel free to check them out. And of course, as always, if you haven't considered subscribing, consider. All right, see you guys. Bye.